Are you ready to master the art of day trading by learning how to read stock charts effectively? Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of stock chart analysis to help you spot profitable trading opportunities. Understanding stock charts is fundamental for any trader. We'll explore what stock charts are, the different types available, and how to interpret them to make informed trading decisions. A stock chart is a visual representation of a stock's price movements over time. It helps traders quickly grasp market trends and make predictions based on historical data. From line charts to more complex candlestick charts, each type provides unique insights into market behaviors. Let's discuss the different types of stock charts. Line charts are the simplest form, showing price changes over time with a single line, ideal for spotting overall price trends. Bar charts provide more detail, showing the opening, closing, high, and low prices for each period, useful for understanding the volatility of the stock within a specific time frame. Candlestick charts offer the same data as bar charts, but in a more visually intuitive format, making them popular for identifying market sentiment and potential reversals. To effectively read stock charts, focus on identifying trends, support and resistance levels, and various chart patterns. Trends indicate the general direction of the stock price. Support and resistance levels represent the price points where the stock repeatedly stops falling or rising, respectively. Chart patterns like head and shoulders, engulfing patterns, and Marubozu provide deeper insights into market psychology and potential movements. Beyond patterns, successful traders also analyze volume and use statistical tools to confirm their predictions. High trading volumes can validate a trend's strength, while tools like moving averages help identify momentum changes. Start by selecting a group of stocks and regularly analyze their charts for patterns and volume changes. Combine this with statistical indicators to confirm your findings and make educated trading decisions. Today, we've covered the basics of stock charts, from reading different types to analyzing market data for effective trading. Remember, practice is key to mastering these skills and becoming a successful day trader. Keep exploring and practicing these techniques to enhance your trading proficiency. Thank you for watching, and check out more of our content for additional trading insights and strategies.